Welcome back to Whitt Acres. Today we're doing a massive egg update. Not just Mumbles eggs in the incubator, but also the eggs underneath the broody girls at the barn. Now we got a little bit of rain this morning, but it's turning into a beautiful day. We got some cloud cover and sunshine. A couple dark clouds rolling in here, but we're not expecting any more rain to fall. However, we are losing all the blooming petals here on the rhododendron. Huh, pop. But we need to do an egg update because Mumbles eggs that we initially put in the incubator are due to be hatched. And Blue's also been sitting on eggs for about just as long, so she should be doing something as well. But a few days ago, I did notice that we had one rotten egg in the incubator. It was starting to look like the other one that we took out, so I took that one out, and we still have the other 11 in the incubator cooking. So we're gonna take another look at Mumbles eggs in the incubator and see if we have any that look like they're still good and viable, and leave those ones in and try and get rid of any that don't look too good anymore. Huh, pup. Hopefully we have something growing. And if there's nothing good going on, we need to get these eggs out because Mumbles is still laying fresh eggs and we need to try and get some more put into the incubator to try and get some goslings this year. I don't think she's going broody. She's still been outside all day. She just goes in to lay her egg. But Blue is incubating duck eggs in the same nest, so she might be incubating Mumbles eggs too. Huh, fish. How you doing down here? You guys good? I already fed you today. Don't be greedy. But we're gonna check Mumbles eggs over here in the incubator down in the fish room first. And then we'll head up to the barn and see what's going on with the broody girls. Come on, pup. All right, in the fish room here, we have all of Mumbles eggs in this incubator. This is the only incubator that fits Mumbles big goose eggs. And I'm actually worried that they aren't spinning properly because I noticed them rolling. And you can see some of them are rotating and some of them aren't. So I think that's not good. Just like anything else you're cooking, these need rotated periodically while they're incubating so they cook evenly. And I'm afraid Mumbles eggs have been a little bit too big to fit in here and they might have been getting stuck. But today we're gonna pop this open and see what we have growing in here. All right, I'm gonna shut the fish tank lights off here so we can see better. Still daytime, so it's not going to be completely dark. We have the candling light right there. And we're just going to try and pull these out one by one and see what's happening. I'm going to leave some of these in here and pull some of them out. What's the consensus? Fat body down? Oh. We have a bit of a smell coming out of the incubator. I don't know. This definitely has an air sac. I don't see anything else going on in here. I don't know. There's something in there, but I don't know. I don't see veins. Let's leave that one in there, I guess. The incubator stinks. It definitely stinks. I don't see anything happening with this one. That's just a yolk. Yeah, we have no veinage in that one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. Actually, that one's 14, so that one's actually pretty recent. Oh, this one looks bad. Yeah, that's not good to have all that goo on the outside. Yeah, I think that one's bad. We're gonna pull that one out. It shouldn't have that outside of it. This is number 12. It's still a little bit fresher. I don't know. That one looks more promising than any of the others. We'll leave that one in there too. Let's see about this one. See, I don't think I can fill the incubator up or I'm not going to have enough room for them to rotate. Yeah, this one is fully dark. Number 5. Yeah, this one should have hatched out. Yeah, that's probably a rotten egg in there. We're going to pull it out before that one pops open. This one's a little bit more fresh. Number 10. I really only see a yolk in there. That's not good. I don't know if Dabbles is getting these fertilized. I don't think Mumbles can really do anything different. This one's number 11. Okay. I think that's what we're looking for, right? That looks like midway progress. I don't see any veins though. Yeah, I'm just not seeing any veins. That one went in on the 26th. So how old is that? That's pretty old. That should be doing something. Number 13. Oh, now wait a minute here. We have some structure in this one? Oh no, I think this one might have something going on. What's all that about? Be careful, I don't want to jostle it too much, but I want to look from this side. I don't know, that one might have something going on. That one looks the most promising to me. Okay, I'll put that one back in too, I guess. I want to spread these out though. We have too many in here. I think all I can do is 6 properly. Oh, and this one, yeah. That is not a good sign right there. That thing is rotten. Yeah, we're gonna have to pull this one out too. That's one of the originals. This should have popped a couple days ago. So we'll spread these out the best we can so they can all rotate like they're supposed to. Let me see. Let me judge this one again. Yeah, it looks just as bad as the other ones. It's one of the first batch. So we'll pull that one out, and the rest of these should rotate properly if it's not too late for them. And we'll leave these go. Oh, I really only can do 5 in here. That's not a lot. But alright, we'll get that set back up, and we're going to take these 4 out of here. Now we're going to take these down to the garden compost and break them open and see what kind of progress we had. And hopefully Maverick doesn't find them. Alright, let's see here what's inside. Now the first one that I broke open that was rotted out like this one is, it was all black and gross inside. It was actually very repulsive. But we'll see here. Oh, puppy, that one stinks. That one stinks. You hear the percussion whenever it popped open. It had a lot of gas inside. I just narrowly missed getting sprayed by that. Oh, whew, it's bad, pup. It's real bad. Oh, I think the rest of these are probably going to be the same. Oh yeah, let's make sure we get it low enough I don't get sprayed. They're just popping open like bombs. Ugh, I really don't like the smell here. Where are these going? They falling down into a critter hole? Ugh. Can't even break it open. Ugh. Puppy, I need tools. Here's a stick. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's not a bird. That is not a bird. We made the right choice on those eggs, pup. I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll go check all the eggs up at the barn. I don't know what's happening. I don't know if it was the incubator not spinning them right or if Dabbles isn't getting them fertilized. But Mumbles is still laying, so there's a chance. A bird. It's all up to nature. I can't really make it happen. But I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right back. Hey ladies. What's going on out here? Hey Dabbles. I hear you, buddy. Mumbles, you out and about, girl? Good. I'm doing an egg check. Everybody, show me your eggs. You big bird. Ladies, where's your eggs? Anybody feeling broody right now? Oh yeah? We got more? Rufio, I know what you're doing. You following me in, ladies? You want to help with this video? Okay. Come on, Dizzy. Hey, Pants. Looking fluffy. Now, first up, we have Snowball that has been broody. Unfortunately, she keeps bouncing around here. Girl, you were not in that left one. She was here this morning. Now, these eggs are all cold. She keeps bouncing back and forth here, cooking eggs. What are you sitting on right now? 2 of them, huh? That's not really great. We have some down here, too. Well, she's gonna have to be more consistent if she wants to try and hatch something out. Now, Chicken Junior over here, she's been very consistent, and I even gave her 3 fresh eggs, because what she was sitting on were not too good. Hey girl, what's going on with you? You doing anything with your eggs? I know she came out this morning, got breakfast and everything. Hold on, let me just get underneath you and look. Let me see what you have. Just eggs? 4 eggs, okay. I gave her 3, so she already had one of her own. Okay, you can tuck back in there. Chicken Junior is still attempting to hatch some eggs out, and I gave her 3 of the other girl's eggs, so she should have good eggs under her. She just has to continue working on them. What's going on over here, Pop? What are you doing? You trying to get the mice for all these chickens, huh? I know, all these little raptors in here, and they can't take care of the mice problem? You birds. Oh, and I'm not 100% sure yet, but the last couple days we've had some girls sitting over here a little bit longer than usual too. So I don't know if they're trying to go broody. What about you? You feeling broody or just laying an egg? Oh my, we have to collect some eggs in there. That looks like we got a favorite nest over there, Pup. What are you doing? You got your head in the bag? Puppy, don't make a mess. I'm still waiting to hear about the piglets. I was hoping they're gonna be coming this month, but we're starting to run out of days. Goose! Birds! What's going on back here? You 2 eating your hay? Good. You gotta eat your hay, girls. Yeah, I didn't get your ear tags out either. I'm thinking about doing that at dinner time tonight. Yeah, while you guys are distracted eating your dinner, I'm gonna get in there and cut those off. Way to go, Dorian. Huh, Goats, you being good out here? The ground's all wet. We've been getting rain all week, so I haven't been able to get in here and do their logs. But it's looking like I might have to come in here and do some weed whacking with you girls. You're not chopping down all these weeds and grass. Way to go, Dorian. You're supposed to be a better mower than this, Goats. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get sheep if you can't mow the lawn like you're supposed to. Huh. Mocha and cream. Get to work. Huh, Pop, you helping? Now before we, oh, why is this door open? Can't believe Dabbles didn't escape. But before we check on Blue, there's another broody chicken we need to check on. And she's over here. Hey, Dustbin, did you kick this egg out? You don't want this egg anymore? Okay. What do you have going on underneath you? You doing good? You got a bunch of eggs, I know that. Nothing happening with them yet? This one's kind of broken, ain't it? Okay, you got a broken egg. I'm gonna take that one too. Alright, you keep working, girl. And Dustbin is new. She's never hatched out anything before. But she adopted the secret nest that Duchess hatched out 5 baby chicks last year in. Over here in the Quack Shack, it's up over 80 degrees today. And I'm wondering if we have girls just laying eggs or if they're starting to go broody over here too. Hey girls. You're filling up the nests. Are you going broody? Or are you just laying an egg? You let me know. I'm gonna check on you later, I guess. We got April over here in one nest. Little white duck. And who's that? Is that Casey? Or is that Gladys? Gonna have to check back in on these girls. They haven't been sitting long if they just started sitting. So they're not gonna have any eggs cooked underneath them yet, but Blue over here has been sitting for a while. And we also have some chickens laying eggs in this corner. Just birds everywhere. Hey Blue, can I get in there and check things out? Come on, Pup, make sure it's safe. Girl, real quick, you can come right back over. She's gonna go tell Dabbles on me. She'll probably go get Dabbles for backup. All right, over here, what do we have going on? She's sitting on the Mumbles eggs. Still doing good, and nothing going on with her duck eggs. This one's kind of dark. I'm wondering if this one's rotten like the other Mumbles eggs. It might have been in here too long. You can really see it start to discolor. Can you see that? It's almost like it's candled right now. Has the air pocket up top and the rest is dark. I think that's a rotten egg. I'm gonna pull it out before it makes a mess in here. She still has 3 eggs she's sitting on, but she is definitely cooking Mumbles eggs already. So I don't know if we'll get Mumbles to go broody on her eggs, but we already got Blue going broody, so hopefully she's gonna be big enough to cook those eggs herself. But I'll get out of her way so she can get back in here. Huh, pup, come on. I hear you, goats. All right, Blue, I'm all done, girl. You can head back in there. It's okay, Dabbles. I'm not doing anything. Your eggs are safe. Now, we do have some broody chickens over here in Dorian's pen. Hey, Escape, you trying to get back in? Here you go. Here you go, girl. Get back in before all your sisters come out. Come on. Come on. Yeah, they're going to try and come out and get these greens. Now, we do have some broody girls inside the mushroom coop with Dorian, but since Dorian is in here with all his sisters, we're not going to be hatching any of those out. So I just keep taking the eggs from them, so they're in there broody, but they're really never sitting on eggs for too long. Calm down, bud. You're going to get Rufio over here. He's not up here yet, though. Go ahead and get a few greens. Go ahead. It's okay. Just keep it tight. Now, I was thinking I could probably utilize these broody chickens inside the mushroom coop and give them some duck eggs to sit on. But I don't know if I want to do that because I really don't want the chicken hatching out ducks. I'd rather a duck hatch out ducks if we could have a duck go broody. And we have one broody duck in there with Blue, and it looks like we might get another one going broody here soon, too. Birds. So we might just have to be patient. All right, head back in. Go back in, Pure White. There you go. Go ahead, Burkett. Meredith. Tighten it up, Dorian. Hawkbait, hoo-ah! Stay inside, girl. Huh, pup. You good, Bert? Snowballs? Good. Mocha? Cream? Good. We'll see you later, goats. All right, pup. We did a full update on all the eggs that are cooking here on the homestead. I don't think this one's gonna break. Yeah, I don't know what's inside that one. I can poke it and see. That's a root. Hold on, girls. Let me get a stick. I'll try and break that one open. We'll make sure it wasn't a duck. Huh, girls? What do you think? Just a rotten egg? Just a rotten egg. Oh, they smell immediately. You don't have to wait a second. Hump up. Come on, bud. I think I'm gonna get in the boat and head out to Goose Egg Island, start strapping that turf down. It's a nice enough day. It'll be nice to get in the water. Oh, little Ro, you got a baby that looks just like you, huh? You got a little white one. That's gorgeous, girl. You got a little mini-me and a dark one. You got yin and yang over here. We already have yin and yang in the koi pond, but we don't have chickens. Huh, Jenny, what about yours? Why are yours inside? It's a beautiful day. You don't need to have yours inside. And I did notice in here this morning that Jenny did start to lay again. She had an egg in there. Hey, little chicks. How you doing? You got yours running around still? All right, I'll get your fresh grass in the morning. All safe in there, pup? You good? Anything else living in there? Just chickens? Good. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for this. And we did an egg update on all the eggs that we have incubating here on the homestead right now. Unfortunately, we don't have any really good news. But it's still early in the season, and it looks like everybody's still working on getting some hatched. So if you want to keep following along with everything here at Whitt Acres, make sure to subscribe down below, hit that like button before you leave, and you can see me and Echo on the next one. Thanks for watching. Good boy. Hey, back it up, Gina.